Dear friends, today I will explain how to use user password, that is nav user password concept in Dynamic 365 Business Center. So here basically firstly I will change here launch.json file. That authentication mode by default is basically Windows. So just I enter Windows, but I will change here. So I will type here user and password. So select user password, right? So this is the first step. So firstly you have to change here, and then I will open Dynamic Business Central. I will create one new user. So users, and I will create new user basically. Okay. So that user would be VC user, right? Just for testing. And what I have to do it, I will not assign here Windows user ID directly. I will put here password. So click here and put password and confirm password. So I entered, and now I'm removing this one. Otherwise, I have to change password first login. So that I don't want to do it. But if you like to do it, then you can mark here true, right? So already you are aware this is one-time password, you can mark true, right? Next, here I will assign permission. So for the time being, I will assign here super, and you can assign as per requirement, right? So basically, I have created a new user by using this user card and page. So back, next steps. Basically, I will generate self-assigned certificate. So basically process is generate self-assigned certificate, create new user, that is nav user. Then I will change client service credential type, service certificate thumbprint I will generate, and that I will assign again. So nav setting also I will change Windows to nav user password, and then I will start the service. So one by one I will explain. So how to assign, generate the self-signed certificate. So for this, basically we have to open Windows PowerShell, right? PowerShell. So just right click and run as administrator, but already I have opened here. So just click here. And what I have to do it, all three commands I will run. So, but that one file is required that already I have downloaded, and here available in C folder, C drive, right? And folder name is new self-signed certificate. So that's why here I am going to change the drive. So firstly, I will run first command. So just selected command I will run, and this is okay. Now second command I will run. So just press here, and third command also I will generate here. So click here. So basically this thumbprint starting number is 5e because so many times I have generated. So that's why I have to remember this one. So now what I will do it, I will open Microsoft console, that is basically you can run through here. Just type MMC, you can search it, but already I have opened. But again, you can run by using administrator user. So just maximize the screen. What I have to do it, just click here and add, remove, sign in, and then choose here certificate, add, and click on check mark here this computer account, next, and finish it. Okay, and press OK button. So basically now I have to click here personal folder, and here I have generated. So many times I have generated, so just I will check out by using thumbprint key. So 5E, this is okay, correct? So basically this BC nav by name I have generated. What is BC nav, that also I will explain. So just open again Windows PowerShell. So here basically I change the drive, and then I have imported module. This is new self-signed certificate. And then here basically BC nav, this parameter you can change as per requirement. Uh, Here basically this is machine name, computer name. You can assign here IP address also, so that you can access from outside. Mm, So that we can do here. Means fix IP address also I can put here, right? So as per requirement, we can do it, right? Now all three already we have command uh, all process already I have done here. So now move to again Microsoft this console, and just right click here, all task, and manage private key. Very important. Otherwise, this certificate will not work properly. Not work properly means it will not work. So what I will do it, just click here, manage private key, and I will add here network services. Okay, dear. So just find network services, and this is network services user. Just add this one, added here, and already allow here, tick mark already available. So just apply and press OK button. Okay. So this one I have done. Now copy and paste it. Here is trusted root certificate. Okay. So just right click and paste it. So here is the BC nav. Just double click and copy basically this thumbprint. Just click here and select very carefully and control C, right? Now we I have generated self-signed certificate, but how to change this credential type Windows to nav user, and this thumbprint also I have to assign by using this administrator business central administration. So business central administration cell is here. I can click here and run under administration. So just use administrator user ID so that your command will work properly. So firstly, just check out so many command already I have uh, done. So just remove this key, thumbprint key, and I entered here as generated. So that is 5e, starting character is 5e. Now our instance name is BC220, and this is the command. So basically what I'm going to assign, service certificate thumbprint, and that thumbprint key value is this one. So I change this one, and now I click here. Okay. So this thumbprint I change. Now I will do it nav user to Windows user. Okay. So here client service certificate type would be nav user password, not like Windows. Okay. So again, instance code is name is BC220. In your case, may be different, so you can do it as per requirement. Okay. So just click here, enter. Now this is change. Okay. What I will do it. So basically, I will change Windows to nav user password also in nav settings file. Okay. So basically, this is the folder, your C drive, and then root, and here BC220. This is instance basically. So in this instance, nav setting file is there. Okay. So just search out nav setting. Okay. So basically this nav settings dot JSON file is there. Here, just right click and open in Notepad. Okay. Maximize the screen, and here I have to change basically Windows to nav user. Okay. So just copy and paste it. Right. Done. Here I can change also for mobile access or something, you can define here this DNS identity. So basically, in my case, BC nav. Okay. Same certificate name I have to enter here. Okay. In my case, BC nav. So I entered BC nav. If fixed IP address, then also you can put here BC, sorry, IP address, right? Now save it. So file, save. So basically I have to save different folder, then I will copy and paste the same file, same folder. Okay. So that I would like to do it. So, so basically just minimize the screen, all screen. Okay. Press OK. Already I saved on desktop. So move to desktop, minimize all screen. So here is nav settings file, just copy and I'll paste here. So it will be replace. So just replace the file, continue. Okay, so done. Now again, if you'd like to check it, just open Notepad and you can check out. So here is basically nav user, right? And here also I change basically BC nav. So already saved. Now close it. Now what I will do it, I will start the services. Okay. So command I will use restart restart nav service instance. Service instance is BC220. Okay. So just enter here. Okay. So system will start here basically services. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I would like to explain what I have covered. Basically, self-signed certificate, this one completed, and we have created nav user. So done. Client service credential type, I change from Windows to nav user. So this one also done, right? Service certificate thumbprint completed, right? Now this one nav user password also done, right? And service started, huh? So process I have done. So just I will check out. So open this command. It's still working. Okay. So meanwhile I will wait. So basically now service started successfully. So now I can try for login this window. Okay. So basically through IIS also I have to refresh this thing. So just restart the services also. Now open browser. Okay. And enter here http colon localhost. Okay. Colon 8080. This is port and slash BC220. This is basically instance as we have created and started. So just click here. Now system prompted here username and password. So now I can put here basically I have created BC something. Okay, one user is also BC, so I will check out. So right. So I entered here user ID and password. Now click here sign in. Okay. So just check out. So and I can put here BC user basically password same. So just I can click here, sign in, right? Basically successfully it's working. And now here VC user. So I can open any file, any item, and any page. So that is available here. As per permission, user can access the page reports and they can view the data, they can enter the data, modify as per permission. Okay. So basically, I have done. We have created so many uh, process we have assigned. Like now, I'm going to summarize the things. Okay. So what I have done for we are not using here basically Windows authentication. I used basically in Dynamic 365 Business Central user password. So I created user ID. I have not assigned Windows user also. And so according system, we have defined client service credential also, nav user password, service certificate, thumbprint also I have assigned, and I have started services. So it's working fine, properly, and you can do it also. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. You must subscribe my channel, Business Central Tutor. Okay. So our channel name is Business Central Tutor. And thank you. Thank you for watching.